Hello everyone, this is David from Acupower Limited, and I just received a short message from Thomas regarding questions that he had for me. So Thomas, your question was about the purchase order preference, how to access it. Well, I will show you, Thomas. So in this video, to access it, as you can see, you need to go to menu like what you're seeing from my side like this. If your system is configured that way, then that is fine. First, you need to click menu, and on the menu, as you can see, I have it in my favorites because I used to access it more often. So in my previous video, I did explain on how to put the star sign to add it to your favorite. So I have it here, but in case you don't have it like that, you just go to purchases. Okay, you click on purchase and then you scroll down. No, first you need to show all. Bear in mind, because now if you scroll down you won't see it, right? So you click show all, and this way all the items will pop up on your screen. And then here you can see purchase order, purchase requisition preference, and so on. So in this case you did mention of purchase order preference, so shall we click on it? And here we are. In this segment, Thomas, this is what you need. And here, the information you're looking for example, blanket order numbering sequence, regular order sequence, and so on, you can access it under purchase order numbering settings. So if you are here and you have some questions that is bothering your mind regarding the whole sessions, don't worry, Acumatica continues to explain you much more further to understand what all these terms means. When you put your cursor on it, then a windows will pop up indicating what it means and what you are doing. So in the real sense, Acumatica really defines these sections for you. So you don't have to worry about understanding the page that you are, how to make use of it. They go further to give you form reference and give you other understanding to make sure that you know the segment that you are, you really understand where you are and you know exactly how it functions and what you are supposed to do. Acumatica, understand every employee or every employer to the point that they make your working environment very friendly, intuitive. In that way, you have no room to complain because Acumatica is always concerned about people who is using their product. So the algorithm is designed to support your business. Now, you did mention that here you want to see the approval, right? But before we go to that section, I want to let you know that every point that you will see here, just put your cursor on it. Acumatica will give you explanation on it. How cool is that? I mean, this is just amazing. So when we go to the approval section, here I have some approval pending in my approval map. Okay, so this approval map indicates that how many people has to go through the purchases that was made in order for the approval to go, to give you the green light. Here we can see purchase order two-step approval. What does that mean? It means that during your the purchases requisition department, right, there was a request or there is a purchase that has to go through a certain department. So let's say the parameters is set that if you purchase something that is beyond $500, finance has to approve. Okay, now before it goes beyond 500, maybe you place another purchase request that is below, let's say that is somewhere $450 or $300, that your manager has to approve. In this case, you will see the number of approvals. This is the approval map or the approval sequence. When it's above a certain limit, the certain department has to go through it and approve it. And when it's the higher amount, the same thing. So the number of approval is set in such a way that all department has their hands on it and the green light will be given, either to go ahead or just to close it. So Thomas, this is a short video that I really wanted you to pay attention on, and this is what your question about. And again, it's not only for Thomas. If you have questions on how to make use of Acumatica to the best, if you have any issues, you can just address Power Limited, yes, regarding Acumatica, we are there for you. We want you to make use of it, and we want you the best for your company to enhance your business as well. So we have various segments that we will not talk about for the meantime, but as you can see, purchase reference have access to the email that is set for the report, the email template, and the format, and even the recipient email address. You have all this information in front of you, which is the best thing to have in terms of using your ERP or using Acumatica system as a whole. You go to the warehouse management. The cool thing about all this section is it again explains itself. At the end of the day, it makes you much more comfortable. It gives you the idea what exactly you are supposed to do. Yes, so this is the short video that I wanted to share with you, Thomas, and I hope I answered your question fully. And if you are watching this video and you have a question, don't hesitate. Reach us on acupower.co.uk, leave your questions, and my team will help you to get the best answer or the best information from Acumatica itself. So you can subscribe to our YouTube, and also you can go to our website and make any request as you want to. Wish you all the best and enjoy your holiday. Thank you.